Good morning to students. Welcome on online class. Today lecture we will discuss new chapter. Chapter 11 is construction. Okay. In previous class we already discussed chapter 10, that is circle, completed. Now today lecture discuss करेंगे construction. Okay. In construction we will discuss firstly how we will divide a line segment if a ratio is given to you. आफ्टर दैट हाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट ए सिमिलर ट्राइंगल, बट सिमिलर ट्राइंगल का कॉन्सेप्ट आपके सिलेबस से स्टूडेंट्स रिमूव कर दिया है. आफ्टर दैट हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ टेंजेंट टू ए सर्किल इफ पॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड एंड डिस्टेंस इज गिवन टू यू. आपको ये गिवन है स्टूडेंट्स कि सेंटर से कितने डिस्टेंस पे पॉइंट प्रेजेंट है. फ्रॉम देयर यू विल ड्रॉ द टेंजेंट. सो इन चैप्टर 11 कंस्ट्रक्शन, first topic to divide a line segment in given ratio. How we will divide a line segment if a ratio is given to you and length of line segment is given to you. So how we will divide? So for that we will discuss example. Example is divide a line segment AB equal 7 centimeter in 3:2. आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, लाइन सेगमेंट AB 7 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ है, उसको डिवाइड करना है आपको 3:2 में. सो हाउ we will divide that? So for that we will follow steps also. So in step first में क्या करना है आपको, draw a line segment AB which is equals to 7 सेंटीमीटर. आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है 7 सेंटीमीटर का. सो वी विल ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट AB equals to 7 centimeter. Step second, draw a ray AX making an acute angle with AB. आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, we will draw a ray AX which is making an acute angle with AB. आपको AX ray draw करनी है जो acute angle. acute angle का मीनिंग क्या होगा, less than 90 डिग्री. so you will draw an angle from the AB and which is acute. so we can draw that angle upside also or downside also. so we will draw here ray AX which is making an acute angle with AB. Step third, now divide AX into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts we will add sum of ratio. आपको क्या करना है, रेशियो का सम करना है. that part we will divide the line segment. ओके आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, रे को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. हाउ यू विल डिसाइड, फर्स्टली यू विल ऐड सम ऑफ द रेशियोज देन आफ्टर डिवाइड. सो हियर डिवाइड AX into 5 equal parts such that A1 equals to A1, A2 equals to A2, A3 equals to A3, A4 equals to A4, A5. So we will divide 5 equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how you will divide students 5 equal parts? You will open compass as any radius. आपको किसी भी रेडियस का कंपास ओपन करना है. Then after cut the ray AX into 5 equal parts. Once you will open the compass, the not change the position of the compass. क्या करना आपको, एक बार कंपास को ओपन करने के बाद उसकी पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं करना है. Then we will locate how many points, 5. A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So divide AX into 5 equal parts such that A1, A1, A2, A2, A3, A4, A4 and A4, A5. 5 equal parts and locate A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 such that. In step third, fourth step, now join A5 to B. आपको क्या करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, लास्ट पॉइंट को लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट से क्या करवाना है, ज्वाइन करवाना. सो वी विल ज्वाइन पॉइंट A5 to B. Join A5 to B and draw a line from A3 which is parallel to A5B and intersect AB at point C. Read again statement. Join A5 to B, then after join A3, we will draw a line from A3 which is parallel to A5B. Why we will draw from line A3? Because here what is the first value of the ratio? 3. Ratio की first value क्या है students? 3. That's why we will draw the line from A3. If here given to you 5:7, 5:7, so 5 plus 7 is the 12. So firstly we will join 12, then after we will join A5. Okay, so draw a line from A3 which is parallel to A5B and intersect AB at point C. So आपको क्या करना है, A3 से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, वो किसके पैरेलल होनी चाहिए, A5B के. Then how you will draw the parallel line? Firstly you will make arc at point A5. यहाँ पे एक arc बनानी है any radius, then open that compass, then cut an arc. Same angle we will make at point A3 and then cut an arc and we will draw a line. That point is point C. So that point C. Now after that what we will observe, that A3C is parallel to A5B or not. क्या है, A3C किसके पैरेलल है, A5B के पैरेलल होगा या नहीं होगा, पैरेलल है. Okay, so how we will divide a line segment in a given ratio? For that, in first step what we will do, firstly we will draw a line segment of given length. After that we will draw a ray AX making an acute angle with AB. After that how you will decide that in ray how many parts we will do, ray के कितने parts में divide करोगे. For that we will do sum of the ratios. आपको क्या करना है, sum of ratio. So 3 plus 2 is the 5, 5 equal parts में divide करो. After that join last point of the ray to the last point of the line segment. After that from the point A3 we will draw a line which is parallel to A5B and which intersect the AB at point C. Intersect that point C and join A3 to C. So here point C divides AB into 3:2. So C is the required point which divides the line segment AB in 3:2. So that is the diagram and that is the step. But students practically how we will verify, आपको इसको मैथमेटिकली वेरीफाई भी करना है कि ये 3:2 में क्या एक्चुअली डिवाइड किया है या नहीं किया. दैट हाउ वी विल प्रूव. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज हाउ वी विल प्रूव. सो आफ्टर स्टेप जस्टिफिकेशन. इसको जस्टिफाई कैसे करोगे कि जो आपने वर्क किया है वो राइट है या फिर रॉन्ग है. सो थर्ड पॉइंट आता है इसमें जस्टिफिकेशन. In justification, so here how many triangles are formed? 2 triangles. First triangle is AC, A3. Second triangle is AB, A5. Here we form two triangle. So in triangle A3C and second is triangle ABA5, two triangles. A3C is parallel to A5B or not? Here A3C is parallel to A5B. इसके parallel है या नहीं? Parallel. So using BPT that you study in chapter 6 triangles, using basic proportionality theorem, that line also divided in the same ratio. ये line भी इसको क्या करेगी? Same ratio में divide करेगी. So AC upon CB is equals to A3 upon A3 A5. क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स? ट्राइंगल में आपने बीपीटी अप्लाई किए. इन विच ट्राइंगल? इन यूजिंग बीपीटी इन ट्राइंगल ABA5. आपने इस ट्राइंगल में बीपीटी अप्लाई की है. सो यूजिंग बीपीटी दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल, सो डिवाइड इन द सेम रेशियो. सो AC अपॉन CB इक्वल्स टू A3 अपॉन A3 A5. बट A3 divided by A3 A5 is equals to A2 A3. How many blocks are present here? 1 2 3. 3 blocks. Divide A3 to A5. How many blocks are present here? 2 blocks. So what is the value of A3 upon A3 5? 3 by 2. So from here AC upon CB is equals to 3 upon 2. So AC ratio CB is equals to 3 ratio 2. That is C divides line segment AB in 3 ratio 2. That is the mathematical justification. Understand? So if in question ask divide the line segment in that given ratio, so आपको क्या करना है? Work only you will draw the geometry and write down the steps. But if in question asked if a line segment AB is equals to 9 centimeter, divide in 9 ratio 7 and justify your answer also. So in case of justification you will draw diagram also, second steps also, and third is the justification also. Understand? Now that question we can do using different method also. That is the first method. इसी questions को आप second method से भी फॉर्म कर सकते हो. So method second. In method second, what we are doing here, draw a line segment of question same है. So step first is same. Step first as it is, draw a line segment AB equal 7 सेंटीमीटर. आपको क्या करना है? एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है AB इक्वल्स टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. ए स्टेप सेकेंड, ड्रॉ ए रे AX and BY making an acute angle with AB and both are parallel. In step second, we will draw a ray from point A also as well as from B also, and both are parallel to each other. So we will draw a ray AX and second ray is the BY. Both are parallel to each other. So how we will draw students? Both rays are parallel. Suppose आपने इसको क्या किया है, 50 डिग्री एंगल पे फॉर्म किया. So that one ray also you will make at 50 डिग्री एंगल. अगर ये 50 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हो तो ये एंगल भी क्या बनेगा? 50 डिग्री बनेगा. अगर ये AX रे AB के रेस्पेक्ट में आपने 70 डिग्री पे बनाई है तो BY भी कितने पे बनेगा? 70 डिग्री पे बनेगा. After that step third, locate 3 points A1, A2, A3 on ray AX and 2 points B1, B2 on ray BY. First ratio is 3, so we will locate 3 point on AX. Second ratio is 2, so we will locate 2 point on ray BY. क्या करना है आपको? AX पे कितने पॉइंट्स लोकेट करने हैं? 3. BY पे कितने पॉइंट्स लोकेट करने हैं? 2. So we will locate 1, 2, 3. A1, A2, A3, such that A1 equals to A1, A2 equals to A2, A3, and second is B1 is equals to B1, B2. So join B1 and B2. That point is B1 and B2. And A1 किसके इक्वल होगा? A1 A2. A1 A2 is equals to A2 A3. Same B1 equals to B1 B2. Next step, fourth. Now join. What is the value of first ratio? 3. What is the value of second ratio? 2. So now join A3 to B2 which intersect the AB at point C. So we will join A3 to B which intersect the AB at point C. आपको क्या करना है? ज्वाइन करवाना है. Which point? A3 to B2 which intersect the AB at point C. Okay, so point number 4 क्या है? Join A3 to B2 which intersect the AB at point C. Now C divides AB in 3:2. So C is the required point which divides the AB in 3:2. And one point to be noted that here angle BAA3 is equals to angle BAA3 is equals to angle B2BA. Value of this angle is equals to value of this angle. अगर इनकी वैल्यू ही क्या होगी? डिफरेंट होगी, देन क्या रे AX BY के पैरेलल होगी? नेवर. These rays will come parallel. So understand that is the alternate method or second method how we will divide a line segment in the given ratio. Understand? After that, how we will do mathematical justification. First diagram, second one is the steps and strands. Step आपकी as it is रहेगी. In each and every question, steps are as it is. Only change that if ratio is given to you 3:2, then divide 5 parts. If ratio is 5:3, then divide it into 8 parts. If ratio is 10:9, then divide 19 parts. But language will come as it is same. Now after third is that how we will do justify. So how we will do mathematical justification. So in mathematical justification, here two triangles form. In triangle ACA3, triangle ACA3, and second triangle is ACA3, second triangle BCB2. We forming here two triangles. Now students, we can prove that these two triangles are similar. आप यहाँ पे ये प्रूफ कर सकते हो that these two triangles are similar. And similarity के लिए क्या है? Either you will prove first condition sorry, their all three corresponding sides ratio are equal. Second is that their two corresponding angles are equal, or either their two corresponding side ratio and between them angle are equal. So here value of this angle 1 and value of this angle 2 are equal or not? Due to Z shape and Z is form alternate angles. Understand? So angle CAA3 is equals to CAA3 is equals to angle CBB2. Reason is that alternate angle. Second is that these angles are equal or not? Both angles are equal. So second angle B2CB, which angle B2CB is equals to angle B2CB equals to angle A3CA. Reason is vertical opposite angle. So here two corresponding angles are equal, so we can say both triangles are similar using which rule? So triangle ACA3 is similar to triangle BCB2 using double A rule. Angle rule से triangles क्या होंगे? Similar होंगे. And we know that if two triangles are similar, then we can say their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides ratio will come same. Congruency में students क्या होता था? If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal, and second condition is that their corresponding sides are equal. But in similarity, difference is that angles तो equal होंगे corresponding angles, but corresponding sides का ratio क्या होगा? Same होगा. So here corresponding side ratio will come same. So what are the corresponding side? So what is the corresponding side of AC? So corresponding sides ratio will be equal. Corresponding sides का ratio क्या होगा? Equal होगा. So here AC corresponding side is BC. So AC upon CB or BC we can write down. AC upon BC is equals to CA3 will not require. AA3 corresponding side is BB2. So AA3 corresponding side is BB2. AC upon CB is equals to AA3 corresponding side BB2. But AA3 divided by BB2 equals to AA3 in how many parts divided? 1, 2, 3. तो कितने parts में divide किया है? 3. And BB2 in how many parts? 2. So AC divided by BC is equals to what will come? 3:2. So C divides AB in 3:2. Understand? So that is the justification of second method. So in exam you can choose any one method, that is not compulsory. Then you will do question using first method or you will do question using second method. आप किसी भी method से questions को solve कर सकते हो, geometry draw कर सकते हो. Understand? So first topic of construction is the how we will divide a line segment if ratio is given to you. Now if in question given to you divide a line segment AB equal 10 centimeter in 1:1. So what does mean of 1:1? 1:1 का meaning क्या है students? Divided into two equal parts. टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में क्या करना है आपको? डिवाइड करना है. अब टू इक्वल पार्ट्स का मीनिंग क्या है? मिड पॉइंट. वी विल फाइंड आउट द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट. गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट्स का क्या करना है आपको? मिड पॉइंट. एंड हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट? यूजिंग द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट. ओके. और इसी क्वेश्चन में और क्या चेंज हो सकता है? डिवाइड ए लाइन सेगमेंट AB 7 सेंटीमीटर in 3:2 and also measure the different part length। अब आपको क्या करना है, इन 3 parts और 2 parts के लेंथ भी कैलकुलेट करनी है। So how you will calculate the length? With the help of scale you can measure the length। Okay, so that is the first topic of construction, how we will divide a line segment in the given ratio। Okay, now next topic है आपका स्टूडेंट्स 11.1 में ओनली एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन है, रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन है बेस्ड ऑन हाउ वी विल construct a similar triangle to a given triangle। that topic is deleted from CBSE। तो सेकंड टॉपिक है वो CBSE ने क्या कर दिया, डिलीट कर दिया। now we will move on exercise 11.2। okay, I will give to you brief idea about 11.2। in exercise 11.2 how we will construct a tangent to a circle। आपको क्या करना है 11.2 में सर्किल पे क्या करना है, टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है। अब टेंजेंट तो पॉइंट P सर्किल के बाउंड्री पे भी हो सकता है, पॉइंट P इज प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड द सर्किल भी हो सकता है। सो 2 केसेस आर देयर, इफ पॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट एट द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सर्किल देन हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द टेंजेंट, एंड सेकंड केस इफ पॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड द सर्किल। अब आउटसाइड द सर्किल के केस में उससे टेंजेंट कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे, फॉर दैट डिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेंटर टू द पॉइंट इज गिवन टू यू। आपको उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में सेंटर से उस पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस गिवन होगी। ओके, सो इन एक्सरसाइज 11.2 वी विल डिस्कस दैट हाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट ए टेंजेंट इफ point is present outside the circle। understand? so in next lecture we will discuss that construction of a tangent to a circle। okay, thank you।